Hi, I'm Indiana Jones. No, not that Indiana Jones. I'm a first-time father, and that makes me an expert at cooking food for my baby boy. Between you and me, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 1, find a recipe on the internet. Oh, this one uses a lot of spinach. Step 2, put on your apron. Take it from me, you don't want to be dealing with no splatter stains. And don't worry, fellas, wearing an apron will not turn you into a homo. Now, cook it up all groovy.
Feeling groovy.
Done. And that didn't take too long at all. Step 4, serve. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Easy as pie.